Okay, so I am finished. I think I always say I'm finished and then I add more. But anyway, this was fun and quick. I was so excited. I got my spring bunny flag out. I always remember my mom when I put that flag out because she gave me all her flags. And that's one of them that she had. A bit more dirt, but I gotta rework my gardens in the front. It's all overwhelmed. Anyway, and my honey, we were looking at Lowe's yesterday for a mix of flowers, and we found this little pot back here, and I had my eye on it, and then he said, oh, you gotta come back here and look at the big one. And I'm like, I put little ribbons in it. Do they come a bit bigger than this? I put my little old antique window out here. Didn't know what to do with it, but anyway. So these flowers just turned out gorgeous. And they were already in a pot. So that's even makes it better. I didn't have to buy a pot. And I just gotta make sure I water them. The little chair that it's sitting on, after we got the flowers, I told my husband, all I need is one old chair. Just one old chair to put on the porch. And he said, well, let's go right by the resale shop. And I was so excited. We went by the resale shop. I was looking for an old teapot to make. My sister showed me where the old teapots they're making. They hang them on the sides now. And they use them for birdhouses. And you just hang them down and you don't put the lid on it. And the birds use them. And I was looking for a couple bright ones to put on my porch. So I'm still in the mix. But anyway, I found an antique chair. And then I was like, oh, okay, cool. It's only $10. And I didn't want it to be heavy duty. I wanted it to be kind of antique-y, broken up looking. It's not really. They're pretty nice chairs, but they're old. And I just wanted the one. But then when I looked, it was both of them for $10. So I am so excited about my flip, my springtime flip on my porch. And we have the next porch in the back to do, which is bigger, but I have to show you. I'm looking for a birdhouse. There's a wasp nest up here. Let me see if I can get to it. Right there. And I killed the wasp this morning, I know. Don't be a hater. But over here, look at this. I don't know if you can see it or not. Anyway, it's a bird's nest. I can't move that. Just broke my $500 glasses. Joking. Timu, you messing up. You let me down on the glasses. They just fell off my head. Anyway, that's a birdhouse, and they keep flying in it and putting more and more and more. I can't move that. I should, because it shouldn't be in the on my house like that, but I don't have the heart. There's still, every time we shut the front door and look through the windows, we see them flying around out here, going back and forth, taking stuff in. But anyway, need to wash my door. But this is my complete of the front porch. So that is episode 2, if I get it up in time. I'm just in love with those flowers. Anyway, thanks for joining me. We'll see y'all again soon. Well, it's been a busy weekend, and I'm all showered up. Got my snuggly jacket or sweater on. I know, crazy. I'm in Texas wearing a sweater. Anyway, it's been a great weekend, and I got a lot done. Finished up my front porch, as you'll see in the video. And to top the night off, I'm so excited. I got a package in. and I have been waiting for it, and I'm so excited to try it. Let me show it to you. It is a beast, and it is so heavy. Oh, I am so excited. I've been waiting. It's Gardencup. So let's unwrap it, shall we? It was kind of a surprise. I'm kind of shocked that something shows up on a Sunday. But it doesn't, it comes by a special courier. So, how exciting. I have my meals for the week. It comes all wrapped up. It's so heavy. It comes wrapped up like this. Oh, and an ice pack. Oh, it's very cold ice pack too. And then a cardboard. And there's our beautiful cups. Let's check out the ones that I picked out. Okay, the first one is Asian chopped salad and with chicken. Honey chicken. Sounds good. Anyway, Gardencup. And you can see it has all the goodness in it. And I can get this upright, sorry. So there's our first salad. This next one is a Caesar salad, grilled chicken. And here's all the goodness. There's the chicken in the bottom, and here is the salad with the cheese. I am so excited. So excited. Take it, shake it, eat it, and repeat. So I guess you can reuse these. Very cool. This next one is spicy Tex-Mex with fajita chicken with salsa verde something. Take, shake, and repeat. There's that one. These are really good sized. Nice and cold. It has all kinds of different goodness in it. I am so excited for a variety. I am totally. Let's get the next one. This one here is the chef salad with diced ham and turkey. And it looks like it has some carrots and some eggs, cucumbers, tomatoes. Oh, yum, yum. I don't know which one I'll pick first. The next one is Southwest with fajita chicken. You could see it from all the light. Anyway, it looks like it's got some beans in it with the chicken and lettuce and some salsa corn. And the dressing is in the top. I don't really want to open it yet. I guess I should though, huh? Maybe not this one because I don't think I'll eat this one tomorrow. I don't know. I'll get one open for you. And then our final one for this week. It looks like they gave me a little gift in there. Is chicken bacon cob. Looks like it has eggs, chicken, ham, tomatoes, lettuce. And they have it where you can pick a 6-pack or a 9-pack. Oh, this one has little seeds in the top. It has the dressing and stuff in it. We have some seeds and, ooh, yum, purple onions, the dressing, yum, yum. That smells so good. So those are my 6 salads for the week. Let's look at what they sent with it. This is a shot of little goodness, it looks like. Not tried these before on the Gardencup. Let's see if we could see what it is. Yuma Tum Tum. You mama Tum Tum. Pomegranate, elderberry, lemon, beet, yellow ginger, probiotics, a prebiotic. Yum. I'll try anything once, so. I'm not a pomegranate fan, but they call it a shot so you can just take it down really fast. So we're going to give that a shot. So that is my Gardencup. I'm going to put the link below if y'all are interested in checking it out. They're having a great special on their website. So just click on the link and go check them out. It's all kinds of goodness going on, and they stay fresh in these containers. And I'm very excited. So, what a great way to start your spring on the front porch, redoing the front porch, and now you get this big surprise of fresh vegetables and all kinds of goodness in a cup. And I want to show you, to finish this video off, what I picked up. I think I showed the chairs on the front porch that I put out there, the little antique chairs. I got the resale shop, and what a bargain that was. And these barely made it home, but they came in this box, and there's 2 of them. And I saw them, and I thought, oh, what a deal. And everything's about spring and summer right now for me, so I thought I would share these with you. So for my pickings at the resale store was the 2 chairs and these glasses. Very, very pretty glasses. And I thought, well, how pretty would these be for summer drinks? Nice cup of tea. And there's 4 in a box. I love all those colors. And I got 2 boxes. And it makes it look like they're old, these boxes, but I don't think they're old. Not that old, because it has the tag. I got them for $6 a box. And I thought, what a bargain. $6. 4 glasses. Nice and pretty, springy summer. But they showed that they got them at Home Goods for $16.99 for the set. So I'm excited to get those all washed up and set up for my special spring and summer drinks this year. And that is my haul for the resale shop. Trying to think if I got anything else. I think that's it. We just went resale shopping and didn't make it to the pickle parade, which is fine. There was a ton of people. If you don't know what the pickle parade is, just look up Texas Pickle Parade. It'll tell you. Anyway, so that's all I got from my thrifting and my garden cups, and also my makeover, spring makeover for the front porch. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will talk soon, and I'll let you know how these salads taste. Again, links below. Please do me a favor and like, share, subscribe so you can get my videos. And we'll talk to you soon. See you later. Bye.